Can we cut to commercial?
His was the voice that changed a generation. Now all your favorite hits are available in one collection. Who can forget these timeless classics, never before covered by a stuttering pig?
Changes. Turn and face the stranger. It changes.
Now, these precious moments are yours to relive again and again for just $19.95 a month. Downloading these songs for free on the internet could take up to half an hour. Half an hour of time that could be spent listening to a stuttering pig singing someone else's hits, like these.
You ain't seen nothing yet. I'll be with the baby. You just ain't seen nothing yet.
Call now. Take your cell phone out in the theater and call right now. Please speak loudly as our operator's hard of hearing. Why won't you call?
She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone. Bad. That's all, folks.